Hi everybody, welcome back to Friday. Good morning. Hello. Hi. It's time for us to remember and write some graphemes we have already learned. Miss I'll tell you now. Okay, we're going to write down all the different graphemes for the A phoneme. There are 8 of them. Have a go at that now. Pause the video here. Great job, guys. You should have had a go. That's getting jumbled today. You should have had a go at writing all the different graphemes for the A sound. Here they are: A and an I, A and a Y, A split digraph, EY, EA, EIGH, and AIGH. Pause the video now and check yours to see if you've got them correct. Now write these words. Okay, I'm going to give you 5 words again, just like yesterday, and they have all got different ways of writing A. Have a go, and we'll have a look at them at the end. So pause the video after each one if you need to. Number 1 is weight. Number 2 is able. Number 3 is tray. Number 4 is bake. And number 5 is great. Pause the video now if you need some more time, or go back and have a listen, because we're going to move on and have a look at the spellings. Great job. Right, let's have a look. Weight has got AI. Able, look at the end. It's got the L and the E. Can you see there that we looked at the other day? I think it was Tuesday. It's got A in that word. In the word tray, it's got AY. In the word bake, it's got the split digraph. And in the word great, it's got E and an A. Today we are going to be looking at types of words called homophones. These are words that sound the same, but they're spelt differently and have different meanings. Okay, so they sound exactly the same. However, they are spelt differently and mean different things. So let's have a look. Have a go at reading these homophones and matching all the words that sound the same but are spelt differently. Right, have a look at these. Pause the video now and see if you can spot words that sound exactly the same, but you can see that their spelling is different. Pause the video now. Okay, guys, let's have a look. We'll read through these, so you should have read through them and then decided which ones match together. We'll have a look at those now. So I'm going to just remove that. So I'm going to read the words first. By, there, see, by, see, flower, be, flower, be, there, by, there. Okay, so let's have a look. Can you see any that match? I'm going to do the red by first, this one. This girl waving. Move that one out of the way. So I saw another one there, by. Spelt differently, but sounds the same. And then there was another one over here. Did you spot it? Buy. That man's going to buy something at the shop. Okay, let's have a look at this one. See. See. Did you see another one? Flower, be, there. See, there. There's another one, look. Sounds the same, but it's spelt differently. Okay, I'm going to do this one actually. There. It's got a picture of a house on it. There. With some children playing. And there. With a pond on it and some ducks. Okay, let's do flower. That's pretty. Did you see the other flower there? Move that down a little bit. Let's move this over. Flower and flower. I'm going to put them like that. And then bee with a bumblebee on it. That's a bumblebee. And bee with a thumb on it. That's funny, isn't it? I'm going to move the flower one up a little bit. Put that next to that one and that one next to that one. So we've got by, see and see, there, and flower, and bee. Can you see all those? But they sound the same, but they're spelt differently. Right, let's go from here then. We've sorted those. Well done. Now have a go at reading the homophones you matched and matching them with their meanings. Right, okay, so they mean different things. So what I want you to do is pause the video. When you've paused the video, I want you to read these words and what the sentence says underneath. Then have a look at the meaning at the bottom and decide which word matches with which meaning, okay? So have a look at those now. Pause the video now, everyone. Okay, you should have had a go at reading those. I'm just going to read through them. There, and there. There is a duck on the pond. Can I go to their new house? They're all happy today. You usually use this word to describe something that belongs to someone else. This word is a contraction and it is short for they are. You usually use this word to describe where something is. It is usually a place or a position. Okay, so can I go to their new house? There is a duck on the pond. There. They're all happy today. Well, I know that one. Did you spot that one? I knew that one because it said this word is a contraction, which means that it's had some letters taken out and it is short for they are. Can you see that there? It's got an apostrophe, so that one matches to that one. Now these two are a bit tricky. There is a duck on the pond. You usually use this word to describe where something is. It is usually a place or a position. You usually use this word to describe something that belongs to someone else. There is a duck on the pond. Can I go to their new house? I think the new house belongs to them. There. And there is a duck on the pond. Usually there's a place. It's saying where the duck is. Yay! Boof, boom, 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 okay. Now it's your turn. Have a go at these. Whoa. Okay, pause the video. Have a go at these. And then I will quickly just draw the lines in to show you where they go afterwards. However, what I want you to do is read it really carefully and make your decision, okay? Pause the video now. Okay, you should have done that. I'm going to show you which ones connect. I'm not going to read them all, but what I do want you to do is read them and check yours, and then check back and see if you were correct. Okay, so this one matched with next to something. Get it from the shop, you pay for it. So when you leave someone, so those match them. Oh, we've done these already, haven't we? That's the contraction. That was the place or position. And that one was the new house. See, looking at something with your eyes is that one. Big blue sea. It's the ocean. A flying insect that looks for nectar from flowers. That's definitely a bee. When something happens or exists, it will be okay. Okay, flower and flower. The brightly coloured part of a plant that creates seeds for new plants. I know that one because that's one of my things, flowers. I need a flour to bake a cake. I need a flour to bake a cake. A white powder which comes from plants like corn or wheat. We use it for cooking and baking. Brilliant. Well done if you got those correct. If you didn't, there were some of them that you struggled with. Just double check them and read them and remember what they mean. Right, let's go back to our slideshow. Well done everyone. See you back soon for the next part.